Hi guys, good morning. I want to share this product. This is Kerastase. It's a serum for hair fall. I've been using this for a year now and it works on me. If you're having hair fall problem, you can try this. Maybe it will work on you. Okay, and this is how to apply this. Ganun lang guys. Yan, hawiin nyo lang yung hair nyo, then, yan, lagay nyo lang yung serum. And, you can massage a little bit. Just like that. And, that's it guys. That's how to use it. You can use this after shower or before you go to bed. And okay guys, thank you and please like and subscribe.